Alright, so this is gonna be a fun video, guys. This is my neighbor at my parents' house growing up. Okay, my former neighbor, super cool guy. He's also a mechanic, old school Mustang guy, really cool guy. And he's got a cammed Sportster, and he's like, "Are we racing?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I guess we're racing." So we're going to a little spot here to have a little race. So it'll be fun. It should be a pretty hot sporty. It's a 83 converted to 1200 with cams. That is fun. I don't care what anybody says. That is fun.